What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, the Hussle family, King Hussle topic, King Hussle X1M, turn motivation into millions, King Hussle reaction videos. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, which means there's no way for you to go to or talk to or spend money or send your money to any fake King Hussle pages. All my links are in the description. Please be aware of all the scammers out there impersonating me. I got a lot of fake IGs, I got a lot of fake Snapchats, I got a lot of fake Telegrams, I got a lot of fake YouTubes. Be smart, be aware. Y'all just be talking to anybody with the name King Hussle and sending y'all money to anybody thinking it's King Hussle. How is that even possible? All you gotta do is follow the links in the description. All you gotta do is get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money. I will not start following you and then write you saying some, yo, what's up? You want to start making money, talking about any dumb fraud stuff, none of that. All my Telegram links and all where you can contact me is in my community post. You want to find me, go to my community post, my Telegram name, link, IG links, all that is in my community post on every post. And I say it in every video in the beginning. I literally take about 2 minutes to let y'all know where to find me at, and y'all still don't get it. So please be more aware, be more cautious before you send your money to anybody. Make sure you see this face, get a FaceTime verification call or video, and you'll be okay. And before we get anything started, this is all educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get it started. So it's 2023, and I've been preaching this for a long time, but I never really, got down and dropped my eagle on and let you guys know how to really clean your credit. So this video, this is the number 1 credit hack for 2023. How you, yes you, the consumer, can get up to 186 points in a month. I'm gonna say into 2 to 4 weeks, you can get up to 186 points credit boosted on your credit if you follow these instructions, if you follow these steps. And I'm not going to steer you wrong, I promise you. These are the same steps that people are doing to create these CPs and all different type of stuff. So please, please, please follow these instructions, and I promise you, you'll be a pro at building credit profiles and credit numbers and all that good stuff like that, and your own credit number, your own credit profile, stuff like that. So, and I'm not telling you you're going to get a 850 credit score tomorrow or in 2 weeks or a month, none of that. But I guarantee you will get a major boost on your credit profile. Promise you. So, first thing you need to do in order to even get started is, you got to figure out what's on your credit profile. You got to see all your collections, all your inquiries, everything that's going on, right? So I know a lot of you guys go to Credit Karma and get your free credit report and go to all these different places and get your free credit report. No, the Vantage 3.0 score is not an accurate score. It could be possible, close to, maybe, so on and so on. You can get your free credit score, 3 credit scores, there's 3 of them, from FICO.com, or you can go to Experian.com, or you get just pay. Just pay to get your credit score, right? Your credit report, right? Once you get your credit report, now you know all the collections and inquiries and all that good stuff that you got in your collection. Well, to get all your collections and all that, you really don't got to pay just to figure out what's going on. But to really get your 3 FICO scores, you got to pay, all right? And you're going to have to lock your credit, so it's a good idea to start paying anyways, right? To have that all under your same, under the little, what you're paying, right? So go to Experian.com, pay for it, and pay for the lock. It's like $19.99 a month, right? So boom. Now that you see what's all going on in your credit report, now you see what's all going on from inquiries and all that, you're going to lock your credit profile. And once you lock it, that means no one can get into it, no one can see what's going on, they can't check reports and all that. So once you lock it, Then you file the disputes. Now you can do this from multiple websites. You can dispute the accounts from Experian, and you also can go to consumerfinance.gov. And I showed you guys the I'm gonna put the links down at the bottom. I ain't gonna even show the links or nothing like that. I'm gonna put the links on what you gotta put, so you step by step on. You know what I mean? Consumerfinance.gov. So doing from Experian, dispute from Credit Karma, dispute from Consumer Finance. All the inquiries are the collections. Any collection over 7 years or older is expired, and you have a better chance of getting it off your collections, off your CP. Now, I warn you, I'm going to tell you, if you are having anyone do your credit, clear your credit right now, please be aware, credit cleaning, credit repair, credit building is a process. It is not an overnight situation, and so it at least takes 2 weeks to see any type of action on your credit profile. 2 weeks to a month. Because bills and reporting dates have to generate. They only report once a month. So, and a lot of people don't understand that. People think, oh, I'm going to get my credit clean. Oh, I'm going to do this and do that and get a 750 credit score next week. No, it doesn't work like that. So understand that this is a process. So if you want to be out here living good and looking good for the summer, start your credit journey now. If you want to be living a good life and getting cars and homes that you never would have thought you imagined getting, but you got good credit now, start doing it now, because I promise you, there's a recession coming. You're going to need credit. So boom. Consumerfinance.gov, Experian.com. Pay the $19.99 a month to put the life lock or whatever on your credit profile. So when you lock it, they can't come in there and check you. You know what I mean? Freeze it, dispute it, get it deleted. No less than 15 days, 2 weeks. Right? So boom. Once you complete that task, because they'll start sending you emails, this was deleted off your account, this was deleted off your account. Once you got all that deleted off your account, now you got to start adding trade lines to your account, your CP. AUs, all different type of trade lines, because you want to start to age your account. You want to age it. And a lot of people don't know that student loans will age your account. A lot of different things will age your account. So when you turn 18, you get cars in your name and all that. If you're going to do that, make sure you're paying your bills on time, because that'll age your account and that'll boost your credit. But a lot of people don't do that, so boom. Trade lines. You want to get trade lines and AUs. You want to piggyback off people with good credit. So you want to go to all these different sites. I'm going to put some sites in the description for you guys to go to. I'm going to put all that in the description. Start adding trade lines. You don't want to add more than 5 credit cards to your CP. You want to have a credit mixture of things on your credit profile, your CP. So you want to go to Credit Strong, and they got revolving credits, they got installment loans, they got different type of installment trade lines that you can add to your CP. Then you want to go to different sites like Trade Lines, Supply, Trade Lines, Club, all those, and you want to start adding trade lines. Once you start adding these trade lines and you add them at the right time, you will see an age. You will see your credit profile will now be aged. You will have a certain amount of debt, and you have exceptional payment history, and your credit will be boosted. This is the number one trick, the number one game, how people are getting these fantastic credit scores, how people are getting these major loans, how people are going from 500 to 700, 650s and 800s in no time. This is the credit hack. This is the trick. This is what they don't want to tell you, because if they tell you this and you start to actually do it, there'll be more people in position to win. There'll be more people in position of power. There'll be more people, rich people, than poor people, because we know how to make money. They didn't tell. I had somebody the other day tell me that, oh, my grandparents, they told me don't never get credit cards, don't never get bank account. That's the silliest thing to ever tell anybody. Because they want you to tell you, they want you to brainwash the next generation to know that, so you won't be able to get money, so you can be in poverty, so you can stay broke, so you can stay financial struggles and things like that. I guarantee you, a lot of people who watch this video, parents told them, don't get credit cards, don't get bank accounts, don't do this, don't do that. What everything they tell you not to do, you're supposed to do. So you can build your credit, build your trustworthiness, build your creditworthiness, and start borrowing money to make more money. That's how the world works. Point blank, period. Point blank, period. So this is the #1 credit hack for 2023. Clean your credit, see what's going on, freeze it, dispute it, get it off of there, get trade lines. It's all different type of trade lines that you can do. Start getting loans. Boost your credit. AUs, piggybacking. And I guarantee you in a month to a month and a half, 2 to 4 weeks, 2 to 6 weeks, you will see a boost in your credit FICO scores. For sure. It's your boy King Hussle, man. I'm finna help people get their credit together. I'm finna help people get these loans. I'm finna help people get these credit cards. I'm finna help people elevate in life. I know it's a lot of people out there that sleep right now, but by the time you wake up, you're gonna see this video. You're gonna watch this video. You're gonna go in the description. You're gonna look at them links, and you're gonna try to get your credit together. And if you need help with it, it's cool. I'll help you with it. $600, I'm giving credit lessons. New Age Credit Repair. That's my credit company. You want to do this, you want to sweep your credit, build your credit, start adding trade lines. And I'm going to tell you guys this right now. Trade lines are not cheap. So if you think you're going to pay $100, $200, $300 for some trade lines and it's going to do something, no. Stop being so cheap. Work harder. And work smarter at the same time. So if you need credit repair lessons, you want to learn how to do it, $600. I'm giving limited gems right now. You want to learn how to make this money. You want to learn how to get loans. You want to learn how to get credit cards. You want to learn how to get lines of credit. You want to learn bank statements and pay stubs and how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media sites and platforms and passive income. And you want to learn how to change your life around. You tired of being broke because it ain't no joke. Get your limited gems right now, $500. My links are in the description. My links are in the community. King Hussle X1M in the ring, real King Hussle X1M. And you can find my Telegram in my community and all my posts. Let's work, let's get this money, and let's win together. I'm still looking for content creators. I'm still looking for rappers. I'm still looking for actors. I'm still looking for cameramen. I'm still looking for producers. Tap in with me. You got at least 500 subscribers on YouTube, 2 hours watch time views. Tap in with me. Let's get this money. If you ain't got nothing to offer, don't hit me up. If you don't know what you want when you contact me or DM me on IG, I will not respond. Please have your money together. Please know what you want. In person, limited gems, crypto tour, $3,500, $500 deposit, $3,000 when you get in person. I got a lot of people starting to book. I got a lot of people FaceTimes, a lot of people in person. So don't waste your time. Don't miss out because prices will be going back to regular prices. $2,000 for FaceTime and limited gems. So don't miss out on this $500 deal. Tap in. It's your boy King Hussle. Shout out to all my real fans. Shout out to all my real supporters. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. You'll motivate me to keep going. You'll motivate me to keep dropping this sauce and videos. And y'all know how I get down at the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.